For the best experience, please turn on subtitles while watching this video to more easily follow the AI resources and prompt text shared throughout. The cryptocurrency market is known for its volatility and complexity. Binance, one of the world's largest crypto exchanges, provides a powerful platform for trading digital assets. However, navigating this space successfully can be challenging, especially for beginners. This is where artificial intelligence, AI, comes in, offering tools that simplify decision-making, improve accuracy, and automate trading strategies. This guide walks you through trading on Binance with the support of AI, from setup to automation. Step 1. Create and verify your Binance account. Before diving into trading, you must have a verified Binance account. 1. Go to Binance.com and click on Register. 2. Enter your email address and create a strong password. 3. Verify your email with the code sent to your inbox. 4. Complete KYC, know your customer, verification by submitting identification documents, passport, driver's license, or national ID. 5. Enable two-factor authentication, 2FA, for added security. Tip: make sure you activate all security features to prevent unauthorized access to your funds. Step 2. Fund your Binance wallet. You need capital to start trading. 1. Go to Wallet and Fiat and Spot. 2. Click on Deposit. 3. Choose your preferred method. Credit/debit card, instant. Bank transfer. Crypto deposit, e.g., send USDT or BTC from another wallet. 4. Once funds are in your wallet, you're ready to trade. Step 3. Understand the Binance trading interface. Go to Trade then Spot or Advanced. Chart area shows the live candlestick chart of the asset. Order book displays buy and sell orders. Trading pairs. Select crypto pairs like BTC/USDT or ETH/BUSD. Order panel, where you place buy-sell orders, limit, market, stop limit. Get familiar with basic trading terms. Market order, instant buy-sell at current price. Limit order, buy or sell at a specific price. Stop limit, a conditional order for more control. Step 4. Integrate AI into your trading strategy. AI tools help you analyze data, manage risk, and execute trades automatically. Here's how to start integrating AI. A. Use built-in Binance AI tools. Simple. 1. Binance Trading Bots via Binance Strategy Trading. Go to Trade then Strategy Trading. Choose a bot like Spot Grid or Futures Grid. Configure parameters or use AI-assisted suggestions for entries, exits, and risk management. The bot automates buy or sell orders based on market movement. 2. Binance Sensei for learning. Use Binance Sensei in the Binance Academy for AI-powered explanations and recommendations on strategies and market conditions. B. Use third-party AI trading bots. Advanced. Several third-party AI bots integrate directly with Binance using API keys. These include 3 Commas, Pinex, CryptoHopper, TradeSanta, BitsGap. How to connect AI bots to Binance. 1. Go to API Management in your Binance account. 2. Label your API key, e.g., AI bot. 3. Click Create API and copy your API key and secret. 4. Paste these keys into your AI trading platform's integration panel. 5. Enable trading permissions, but never enable withdrawal access. Store your API key securely. Never share it. Use IP whitelisting if available. Step 5. Train your AI or choose pre-configured strategies. Most AI platforms offer pre-built strategies, ideal for beginners. Custom strategy builders. Use AI to train based on backtesting or paper trading data. Example of AI-driven strategy options. Trend following AI. Buys when market momentum is up. Mean reversion AI. Buys dips expecting price to revert to average. Sentiment-based AI. Analyzes Twitter, Reddit, or news feeds for mood-based trading. You can backtest these strategies against historical Binance data to see how they perform. Step 6. Use AI for technical and sentiment analysis. AI can analyze vast amounts of data, far more than any human. Technical analysis with AI. Platforms like TradingView with PineScript plus AI plugins or AI dashboards like TensorCharts can predict price movements, identify support/resistance zones, use neural networks for pattern recognition, sentiment analysis tools. AI services like Lunar Crush or Sandymint analyze social media trends, whale alerts, and news articles to detect market sentiment, allowing you to trade ahead of the crowd. Step 7. Implement risk management with AI tools. AI can help with smart risk management by auto position sizing. AI can adjust your trade size based on portfolio percentage. Dynamic stop losses. Bots use volatility-based trailing stop losses. Portfolio rebalancing. AI keeps your allocation optimized based on performance or risk exposure. Platforms like Shrimpy or Coinrel excel at this. Step 8. Monitor and optimize your AI trades. Once you launch an AI trading strategy, don't set and forget. Monitor its performance. 1. Use performance dashboards, daily/weekly ROI, win-loss ratio, etc. 2. Adjust strategy based on real-time feedback. 3. Switch between paper trading, simulated, and live trading when confident. A/B test different strategies to see which AI system gives you the best results. Step 9. Stay informed using AI news aggregators. AI tools can keep you updated faster than traditional news. Feedly plus AI Assist aggregates news from top crypto sites. Google Bard or ChatGPT plugins summarize crypto updates, detect important announcements, and predict market implications. You can configure alerts based on keywords like Bitcoin ETF approval or Binance delisting. Step 10. Avoid common mistakes with AI trading. While AI offers efficiency, here are key mistakes to avoid. Overtrusting bots. Always monitor performance and update your strategy. Ignoring market news. Sudden regulatory changes can invalidate AI models instantly. Giving full control. Use semi-automated trading first. Don't start with 100% automation. Not diversifying. Don't rely on one strategy, bot, or asset. Conclusion. Is AI trading on Binance worth it? Using AI to trade on Binance can boost your efficiency, reduce emotional trading, and uncover profitable opportunities. However, it's not a magic solution. It still requires strategy, monitoring, and adaptation. In summary, 1. Get verified on Binance. 2. Fund your account. 3. Understand the platform basics. 4. Connect AI tools via API. 5. Choose or build AI trading strategies. 6. Use AI for analysis and risk management. 7. Optimize performance regularly. 8. Stay informed and adjust as markets evolve. By combining the power of AI with Binance's robust infrastructure, even new traders can navigate the crypto market more strategically. That wraps up the video. Thanks for watching. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe so you won't miss future content.